my body, I love my skin. I am a goddess, I am a queen.
Hey guys, it's Rayshawn here and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to get this very look. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with the right brow. And I'm using my spoolie to create the arch and straighten out some of those hairs. I'm going to use that throughout the course of this video. But I'm going to use my eyebrow dark brown pencil and I'm going to create a angle for the upper and lower part of my brow, and I'm gently guiding through and making sure that all the angles that I get is what I want. And if you wanted to keep that angle, you could and just rock it like that. Next, I'm going to go in with my dark brown in my e.l.f. eyebrow kit. And I'm going to fill in some of those spaces where I feel need to be darkened a little bit. And I'm going to use this all throughout my brow. And this was the first time that I used this product and I really love it. And it's going to stay in my makeup bag forever. So I went ahead and looked at my brow for a minute and grabbed my spoolie and decided to brush those hairs in the front up a little bit because I needed a little bit more fullness. So I went back in with my brow pencil and shaded the front end just a little bit. Not extremely dark, but I wanted it to be a lot more of a bolder look. So we're on to the sparse left brow. I chose to go the thinner route and lighter route. I wanted to pull off a more natural look. I didn't want to go too intense and too dark, so I did repeat the steps that I did for the right brow. Now, being as though that it is a sparse brow, I went and applied lightly. Every product that I used was applied lightly. So even the ink from the eyebrow kit was applied lightly, and I did light strokes all throughout the brow. I want to darken those areas up a little bit. Then I went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Espresso. That's the shade that's closer to my skin tone. And I went ahead and blended that into my skin and also carved my brow out. I wanted it a little bit more thinner, so I went ahead and took it down a little bit in the front. And to my surprise, it didn't look too bad. I went ahead and applied a little bit more to the lower portion because some hair was still exposed that I could see. And lastly, I used my NYX foundation to blend in my brows to give off the natural appeal. That is how, and that is the secret to how I get my brows to look super natural without doing the extreme. And I'm going to carefully go around the front, the top, and the lower portion, blend it all in, and make sure that it is a-okay on both sides. Okay guys, so we're down to the last step, and that is applying a little pop of color to my lips. So I'm using the e.l.f. Flirty and Fabulous Pink, and I'm going to do that a few times until I am satisfied. I just wanted to add a little bit of color to the Naturalista vibe I was going for. And this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.